Hello running nerds, it's Sunday and we've come to the end of race week, and what a week it has been. Hundreds of runners all over the world claiming their victory in their 5K and half marathon. I know there's a few of you still out there, but I just wanted to take this opportunity to say thank you so much for participating in the virtual half marathon and treadmill challenge 5K summer heat series. Remember, report your results online. Just a quick reminder, when you go on, there's directions at the very top of the results page that explain exactly how to enter your results successfully. The key is you have to press enter after you put in your bib number to confirm your information. But if you have any questions, just email us at runningnerds@gmail.com. Again, thank you so much for your participation. I'm Tess, your race director. Finished my 13.1 last week, ran another one this weekend. You just got to keep it going. And we hope you will all join us for the Winter Blast Series. Registration will open tomorrow morning. We're going to have a great VIP registration deal for you, so please check it out. And just stay tuned with us on Facebook, on YouTube, and definitely make sure you check in with us via email. Have a great run.